Today I am going to talk on team development, and one of the models used in to describe team development is Tuckman Ladder. So the Tuckman Ladder describes 5 stages through which any team will go through. Let it be cricket team, let it be software development team, or it can be any construction site team. So any kind of team, when they get together and start working, they will invariably go through these 5 stages. The first one is called forming. Then after a few days, the team will be storming. Then after some time, team will be norming. And then they will be really performing. And finally, the team goes through adjourning. And to understand how this really cycle goes through, let me give an example. I was project manager for implementing SAP ERP, and our client was in Jogeshwari, and our guest house was in Malad, and we were about 8 consultants and myself project manager. So the client told me that we have given you this guest house, and we arrange one caretaker for guest house. The idea is that this caretaker will take everything that is required for 7 8 people living in that guest house. And we said okay. So one fine Monday we had to start the project. And so on the previous Sunday, I called all my people that whatever time you can reach Mumbai on Sunday, please book your tickets accordingly. Some people coming from Hyderabad, some 4 people coming from Hyderabad, 2 people from Noida, Delhi side, and couple of people from Nashik or Jalgaon. So see the reaction between them. First, somebody said, "Hi, I am Sudhakar, and I'm coming from Hyderabad." And the other fellow says, "Yeah, yeah, I am Ashok. I am from Nashik." And things are going on like we have a Godavari river, and it is a very holy place, Nashik, and many people come here. He says, "Yeah, yeah, yeah. Godavari is also considered holy river in Andhra, and when it comes to Andhra, it becomes very big." And so on. So they are talking on some topics which are really not related with any business, but they are judging each other and they are talking to each other and finding out how I will get along with this. This stage is called forming. So everything started well. Sunday, everybody gathered, and I was to stay in my home at Thane, so I returned to Thane. Next 5 days went on well. Our kickoff meeting went on well. People started collecting material, collecting requirements, and all those. The persons, one person stood up and said, "Sir, horrible, horrible situation. Last 1 week I have not slept at all." So I asked, "What happened?" "Sir, my room partner, he snores. But do you know, he doesn't snore. He's like a railway engine." Oh my God. Before I could express anything, the another fellow got up and he said, "Sir, that fellow is better. My situation is worst." What happened? That this fellow was, say, Nagraju. Nagraju, what happened? "Sir, his thinking is he is only about sleeping in the night. My problem is day and night. My partner is a chain smoker. Do you know what? He is super chain smoker. He doesn't stop smoking. The whole room is stinking of tobacco. The other day cat came in. Even the cat could not withstand the smell for even half a minute. And within half a minute, the cat ran away with the tail up. And really sorry. Very difficult, sir. Horrible. My lungs will be out of functioning only. Before I could say further anything to him, third fellow got up and he said, "Sir, my idea of coming here is really terrifying." "What happened, Subramaniam?" He said, "Sir, I was knowing that people on projects, they will be eating non-veg. I thought that they will eat omelette. But do you know, these people eat chicken, and that to chicken legs in front of me. And the time they eat these chicken legs, I find it terrible, sir. I feel like vomiting. Somehow that sound of the chicken comes in my ears, and sir, I cannot. I'm feeling very much landed in the wrong place. Oh, is that Subramaniam? So that's how it was going on, and I was really thinking now, what the hell? Why the hell I have become manager of these guys? Okay, so please understand, this is the stage storming. This will happen with any team. The next week I went again, the work was going on, and I thought that this time the same thing will continue. And they were saying everything fine, sir. So I only thought that let me ask Bahadur, kuch just make some pakodas or something so that we can um, have a little relaxed Sunday today. And all that, Bahadur made all that tea, coffee, biscuit, pakoda, everything. And I only asked somebody that, Suhas, what happened? How are you now? He said, no, sir, we have solved our problem. How come you solved your problem of the snoring? He said, sir, he is a very nice man. He has taught me how to migrate the data from one server to another, and really, and as far as snoring is concerned, sir, I have adjusted. I sleep in the hall, and my sir, he is okay. I left a room for him. Then I went to another fellow who had a complaint about tobacco. He said, sir, we have also settled. What happened? Just it costed me one spray, a room freshener, and my smoking friend, he said it is not fair to smoke in the room. So he goes on the staircase, and now we are okay. Now it was the turn of Subramaniam. I asked Subramaniam, what's the state now? He said, sir, I have found a solution too. I First, I thought that I will eat separately, but that's not good. So I eat all along with them. Only thing is, I sit separately on a separate chair and teapot, and I keep watching TV. And these people are so that we discuss together, but I don't keep looking at how they eat non-veg, and that is good enough. So we are solved. So friends, this is the stage which is called norming. And then after 1 week, I was surprised. Whatever they were to do in 5 days, they completed in 4 days only. In fact, they delivered more and more. They collected the requirements, they made the document, they made as is study, to be study. All this was going on very well. And I realized that this is the time team is performing. Do you know how the manager has to do? Manager has, when the team is performing, give them more work and they will be very happily doing it. So please observe which stage the team is going through performing. And finally, the time comes to depart, adjourning. And that time they said, oh, what a nice time we had in Mumbai. Okay, we went to Siddhivinayak, we went there like that, and we were together like a family, and so on. So this is how these stages any team will go through. And remember, sometimes a team may skip one of the, or sometimes they may linger on a particular stage for longer, but generally, all the teams will go through this. I hope you have understood.